Here is a quick video that will show you how to tell whether the sine, cosine, and tangent are positive and negative in each quadrant. When we start with the angle theta in the first quadrant, we know that both the sine and cosine will be positive because in the first quadrant, all x coordinates are positive and all y coordinates are positive. If we were looking at an angle in the second quadrant, the coordinates of the points in the second quadrant have a negative x coordinate and a positive y coordinate. If we were looking at an angle all the way in the third quadrant, let's say here, the x and y coordinates will both be negative because in the third quadrant, we have negative x coordinates and negative y coordinates as we go down. And in the fourth quadrant, if we were looking at an angle all the way around, these coordinates will have a positive x coordinate, cosine, and a negative y coordinate, positive, negative. So when you're looking at the coordinates of the angle in a specific quadrant, you want to think about whether the x coordinate is positive or negative and whether the y coordinate is positive or negative. When it comes to tangent, what you want to think about is the slope that the angle makes with the x-axis. Is the slope positive or negative? So if I have an angle in the first quadrant, I'm looking at this slope, and the slope is the angle is increasing. The slope is increasing, so that is a positive slope, right? In fact, any angle that's in the first or third quadrants makes a line, or a ray, if you want to think of it that way, that is a positive slope. The line is increasing. So in the first and the third quadrants, tangent will be positive. However, if you're in the second or fourth quadrants, an angle that you make, let's say it's here, it's angle alpha, is going to be making a line with a slope that is negative. The line is decreasing. So here tangent is going to be negative. And the same for an angle that's all the way around in the fourth quadrant. Notice that that line in the fourth quadrant that is created has a negative slope. So the tangent of alpha is negative, less than 0.